going to be testing out the F2 Pro Max. Supposedly it has GPS on it, so I didn't put the app on. We're just going to fly it around. I mean, you can have all the bells and whistles, but if she can't handle just flying, bells and whistles don't mean nothing, right? Let's see if we can get her started. Okay, she started right up. Oh, not bad. Nice hover. Hover looks good. That's speed 2. A little slow. Oh, speed 3. Not too bad. Gorgeous looking though, huh? Oh, here's some wind. Look at them trees over there. Let's bring it over there. See what happens. Not bad in the wind. Look at that, baby. Look at that. Look at a squirrel. I don't know if you guys can see a squirrel. But yeah, the wind's hitting it. Look at that. A budget drone that can take the wind. This is wicked awesome. Oh, this is going to be one of my babies I'm going to like to fly a lot. Look at that. A little slow on the yaw, but not bad though. She flies good. Oh, look at that back on it. I like that. Nice and agile, huh? See that? That's like the brake. Because sometimes, you know, these things are going to come at you. You want to be able to move them around. You have to be agile. This is pretty good. Wow. It's going to be a short video. It ain't going to be a long one. I got 4 other drones I want to try out today. But yeah, look at this baby. Definitely plastic. Yeah, a lot of, doesn't turn fast though, does it, huh? Look at that. It doesn't take a turn. Really, for more aerial. But you can see, I like to turn mine, make a quick. See how it glides? Like banks. It's not head. It's not like the head takes care of it or the front props. See that? That's strange. But it's more of an aerial type quad. And I'm slow flyers. Not for speed, I'll tell you that. But yeah, she flies beautiful though. And she can take the wind, so if you notice that wind up there in the trees, and you don't have to worry about it really being that agile because it can handle it. Normally I'll have to have something, I have to drive it through the wind. Oh, get over here back where people can see you. But yeah. This thing is cool. It has no problems. When they say it can hit some heights, I'll bet you can. It ain't going to be the FAA stuff, but yeah. Check that baby out. Yeah, so let's make this a short flight. People get bored. But yeah, but you can see she doesn't take a turn like you'd normally take with a quad. See how she banks? She's more aerial. But boy, can she take the wind. Has no problems. Little jittery, but come on. It's a $70 quad. I haven't tried the pictures. It's supposed to have follow me and all kinds of stuff like that, but none of that means anything if it can't hover like this. And this thing can take the wind. As you can see, I'm not doing nothing. I'm not touching anything. That's a beauty. Oh, and the plastic feels like metal. Yeah, this is gonna have some little cord. Oh, drone.